A lot of people ask about ETFs and mutual funds. I sometimes will tell clients that ETFs are like mutual funds 2.0, where the mutual funds, the idea of a basket of stocks, it literally goes back all the way into the 1920s, but it was a wonderful idea. So let's diversify. Let's allow people to buy into a basket of stocks, not just one stock, because obviously high risk and high reward, but high risk with one individual stock. Let's create this ability to then buy in to the market. And it was a way of democratizing the investment world so people could get involved. So now this exchange traded fund was created based on liquidity. One of the other big differences that people talk about mutual funds and ETFs, though, is capital gain distributions. Did that drive the conversations at all, or was it really liquidity drove the formation of these new product?
I think what's fascinating is at the heart of this, like a lot of things that are discovered, we didn't think about all of the different applications at the beginning. And what's interesting is folks like SHP and others started to kind of think about ways to use ETFs. And so, of course, we wanted to provide that liquidity, that transparency. But then others embraced this notion of tax efficiency and low cost. And all of a sudden, what morphed as a solution to a capital market problem came into the kind of wealth management platform where firms like SHP were thinking about tax consequences, liquidity, transparency, and of course, cost, all incredibly important elements, and diversification. And they thought, boy, these tools are incredibly useful, and we can build portfolios with them and address all of those things simultaneously. And of course, that was the next incredible leg of growth in the ETF industry, is that they kind of became a core portion of many individual portfolios and diversified portfolios because of some of those things. To me, as just a curious person, I find that incredibly fascinating, exciting, motivating. And yet today, folks continue to find more and more ways to use ETFs. Now they're using options in ETFs to generate income. And so it's just been an incredible kind of ride to be alongside and watching how capital markets have taken this seemingly simple instrument and found so many different use cases to ultimately kind of help investors reach their financial goals. That's, I think, an incredible achievement for the industry, not only for State Street Investment Management, but for the industry. It was the proverbial game changer for how folks think about investing.